alignment, and text customization. There are other techniques also available, and to make use of those to view our spreadsheet is really nice. Notice here on this worksheet, we have the cells that are going to format to the right side of the cell automatically. This is standard for all our numbers in Excel. The concept of alignment is that it looks too constricted between the two cells that are next to it. The contact column looks too close to sales, so I want to see a little bit more space between the cells. I have the option of center it, but it looks odd, so I will here make use of the actual indentation by hitting the indent button in the home menu. So now you can notice all of the content of the cell move to the right. If I click one more time once again, it moves to the right. So indentation is useful in moving the content of the cell to give it a desired space in between to make it comfortable to read easily. So I'm going to give space between the columns. As you can notice here, my states column has only 2 letters in each cell. So here I would prefer to select the column and center it. In the contacts column, length varies, so I prefer indent to look better. Another thing I want you to be aware of is that if you notice in our worksheet there are zip codes. Those are written in a general format or a number format. If I type the zip code that starts with 0, say 01234 and then hit enter key, notice that 0 disappears. So if I want to see the 0 in its place, I can format it as a text by customizing technique. What I'm going to do here is select the column for the zip code itself. Now I'm going to go up above number to general, and you'll notice where it says more number formats. In the number format, there's a section called custom. Here's where I can customize any type of formula that I'd like to. Now you'll notice the individual coding that is used here. H for hour, M for month, and S for second. I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to select the 0. In the 0, I'm going to change it to say that I want to have 5 spaces. A zip code would have 01234. By typing in 5 zeros, it's going to force it to have 5 spaces. When I say OK and go back to my zip code, you'll see now that it's 01234. So that's called alignment and text customization.